Hey, what's up, guys? Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the OnePlus Buds Z. So I ordered this off the OnePlus online store. It has three color variants: gray, white, and a special designer edition. It cost me about 2,700 rupees. I will come to pricing in later half of this video. I ordered the gray variant. It took about 1 week for the delivery of the product. The external packaging box was slightly dented, which had me worried, but it turned out the product box inside was completely fine and intact. So after a quick look into the unboxing, we will get into the review of the product. Thank you. So what you essentially get in the box are three items: the charging case with the earbuds in them, and then you get the charging cable, which is about 50 centimeters long. Then you get the standard earbud tips of the sizes large, medium, and small. So these are the three things that you essentially get out of the box. One thing to note is that you do not get a charging brick with this product. The charging case itself looks pretty good with a sleek rounded design, and the grey finish on it is really well done and it looks really good. And you have the OnePlus branding in the center of the case, and behind the case you have the charging port and a single button which is used to pair with the Bluetooth supporting devices. We just have to hold the button for 3 seconds, and in front of the charging case we have the indicator to show when it is paired and when it is searching for a Bluetooth device, and also to indicate when the device is charging, and it is pretty well designed. Now taking a look at the earbuds itself, it looks great, and the grey finish on the earbuds makes it look very sleek and nicely designed. And here inside the charging case you can see that the earbuds themselves connect magnetically, and the left and the right earbuds are marked respectively. You can see that the grey finish is continued to even inside the charging case. Overall the product looks really good, and you can see it fits easily back into the case. So I have been using this product for about 3 weeks now, and I'll give a sort of pros and cons about the product and an overall opinion on the product. This product gives a great value for the money you spend. For about 2700 rupees, you get a very good quality wireless earphone, and there are no real cons for this product. If I am nitpicking, I'll have to say the sound quality is good but not great. Then the form factor of the charging case is not as sleek as like the AirPods, but all that is just a minute setbacks, and this device has a lot of pros going for it, so I'll try to get through the ones that I really like. So starting off with a stable Bluetooth connection with above average range, then the ability to play the content through a single earbud, then the content gets paused when you remove it out of your ear, then the charge lasts for about 3 to 4 hours, and the earbuds gets recharged when you place it in the carrying case, so it will last longer. Then it is sweat and water resistant, so you can use it during workouts, and it was also very comfortable in my ear. And finally, the price, being so moderately priced, just boosts its pros. These are really great budget wireless earphones, and at this price range it doesn't have any real competition in the market. Most of its competitors are priced twice or even thrice more than this product. So talking about pricing, OnePlus does offer special sales. I've seen it between the prices of 3000 to 2500. Do check out this sales and the price drop. So this is a recommended product from me. So good job OnePlus, a good product and moderately priced. Hope you guys check it out. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel.